We didn't really know what to expect from today.
You'll always find something different in the taste test. That goes there, that goes there. If you start on the right hand side, work your way across.
The taste test, definitely. When you had it against the diet and the Coca-Cola, the Pepsi Max stood out a mile.
Naturally blind tasters are just a carbonated drink, but the proof is when we start getting into it, we start adding elements of alcohol to it.
We came along because we've been working with Pepsi on our drinks range for a few years now, and recently we've launched our cocktail bars. We have 22 at the moment. So we were looking for some ideas where we could use the Pepsi brand with our cocktail bars, where we could find drinks which are quick and simple to make and quick to serve, to kind of elevate the guest experience in our restaurants.
We're just kind of showcasing how we can use everyday spirits that you can get into a pub, into a bar, into a club, or even at home, and show how we can mix those well with Pepsi Max and kind of utilise a nice spirit mixer as well as a nice cocktail as well.
I personally like tequila, so I really enjoyed that.
I think my favourite serve was the Class of 72. That really fits with our brand, kind of that fun element.
The next one we've got coming out is a drink called Alfredo.
It's gone down really well. So mixing Pepsi with some of the products that we've used today, I would never have thought of doing it.
Can we have 4 more in it?
And what we've learned today is that with the Pepsi Max, the carbonated cocktails can be
You can be
amazing.
just as inventive with them. So.
Yes, most definitely.
Cheers, thank you.